In a quiet village, a man named Bob was known for his loud sneezes. One day, Bob sneezed so loudly that windows shattered and chickens stopped laying eggs. "Bless you," shouted his neighbor, clutching his ears. Meanwhile, across the ocean, a sailor named Jack heard a mysterious boom. "Must be thunder," he mused, looking at the clear sky. Back in the village, Bob's sneeze was the talk of the town. "I swear it was like Krakatoa erupted," laughed his friend. "Next time, warn us, Bob," chuckled the mayor. Hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment to support us.